Alright, yo, what up everyone? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's unboxing, it's a bag. So unbagging video of the Hanes men's tagless exposed waistband boxer briefs. This is the medium assorted 6-pack, alright? So medium is the size and it's the assorted 6-pack from Amazon. Let's see. It is I got it for 16 bucks basically. So it comes with 6 boxer briefs for 16 bucks. Currently, as of January 4th, and actually let me check my order, see if I even pay that price. Yeah, I paid $16 for it. And it says that the original price on it is $19.19, so you save $3.20, which is 17%. Currently in stock. I'll put the link into the description below. So anyways, let me put my tablet away. So the assorted, I'll show you guys a photo of it. So this is the assorted pack. So it comes with these colors. Alright, so like a blue, a royal blue, a baby blue, a gray one, a green one, a red one, and a black one. Alright, so I'll put this to the side. Here is my package. The hell is all that fluff? Alright, so here's the package. There's nothing left inside. I'm gonna have to clean all this white stuff. I don't know. It was like a styrofoam attached to the bag on the inside. Yeah. Whatevers. So here's the bag. Right here. See? Alright. That's how it's gonna look like. This is the medium one. Alright. Look at the back side. The sides are just blank. Whatever. Let's open the package. It says, let me read. It's soft, breathable, comfort flex waistband, no ride up, wicking cool, comfort fabric, softer than ever, 6 tagless boxer briefs. Okay, medium, so size waist 32 to 34 or 80 to 85 centimeters. Wash cold and save. Alright, tagless boxer brief, no scratchy tag, wicks away moisture, comfort soft, comfort flex waistband, soft and stretchable. I don't know what else I should be reading back here. Being earth friendly is important to us. Hence is using renewable energy resource decreases water. Whatever. Wash cold and save money. Sponsored by Tide. Okay. Instructions de lavado. Oh, care instruction. Machine wash cold with light colors. Do not use fabric softener. Use only non-chlorine bleach when needed and tumble dry low. Cool iron if needed. Alright. Cool. Let's get this open. Alright, so they're all rolled up and taped. Alright, so here's the blue one. You see that? I like that blue color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. In the picture, it said there was a lighter blue color. I see a gray one. And I see 2 black ones. Alright, so this one did not come with the baby blue color, which I don't mind, whatever. I'd rather have 2 black ones because lighter colors get dirty and they stain easier than, of course, the dark colors. So green, red, gray, blue, and they gave me 2 black ones in the bag instead of the baby blue one. As you could, I'll show you the picture again. In the picture, it said the baby blue one right here in the middle, all right, came with it, but it did not. That one did not come in with my package. But I'm not tripping. But if you guys are gonna want that baby blue, or if this happens to you guys and you guys don't like it or mind, or you definitely mind it, then I'd be careful and complain and try to get your money back or get a new one sent to you, I guess. But I like the black one, so if you guys don't like the black ones, then I'd be careful. Yep, I don't know. I have no idea why they have the photo there, if they're not going to give you exactly what you expect. Anyways, you guys probably want to see it fully opened up. They're going to shrink depending on how you wash it. So that's it right there. Backside. Alright. Let's see, comes with like that cut on the side where your pecker goes, your private part. Alright, so this is the front part, and that side thing, the side pocket. No, it's not even a pocket, it's just a slip through. I don't know. Alright, let's look at the inside. Alright, so here's the front side, but on the inside. So no, it doesn't come with like a pocket to put your thing in, and as you can see, it goes all the way through. Alright. Now, medium ones, when they shrink, they fit perfect on me. And they're still stretchable, so that's why I got the medium ones. Alright, I'll show you guys the red one. I've never had red underwear. Never. Red boxers. There you go. That's how it looks like. Or green ones. Matter of fact, I never had green ones. I basically have only had black, blue, gray, different color blue, darker gray color. So green I've never had either. And of course black. That's what you would expect. I think they all have like the gray waistband. Yeah, they all have this gray waistband that has the Hanes logo on it. So this one's black. And the last one is the same, but just so you guys can see, I did get 2 black ones. None of them were the baby blue ones. So again, if you guys are gonna trip about not having the baby blue one, then be careful when you purchase it, I guess. Wait a minute, I did not let you guys see the gray one. Hold up, let me get the gray one. Ah, freaking sticky tape. Alright, here's the gray one. Alright, it's all like wrinkly and stuff, but like if you iron it or wash it and stuff, it starts to mold to your body. Anyways, that is it for the unboxing. I'm not sure what kind of review video you can make on clothing, so put that in the comments below. I usually enjoy the cotton ones. They're comfortable and they're from Hanes. I only go with Hanes and maybe what is the name of it? Calvin Klein. Other than that, Fruits of the Loom, it might be comfortable, but I don't like the look of it. It looks immature, or like a little kid would wear it. I don't like wearing tidy whities, and I used to wear boxers when I was young, but it's too loose, so in between boxer briefs are the way to go. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Again, comments and it is down at the bottom description. We'll have the link to the Amazon page where I bought it from, and give me a like, a dislike, comment, subscribe. Peace out.